advocate Cindiana Silva, who represented Tarun Tejpal. She represented the Goa police, and the state of Goa in the case. She's reacted after the court's verdict. Silva said that Tejpal has been convicted for all the offences he was charged with. She added that the court has sentenced him to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment, imposed a fine of 5 lakh rupees and granted him 2 weeks' time to surrender. Let's hear her statement.
Judgment has still not been uploaded, so once we go through the judgment and find the reasons, we will be able to comment on how it is. So he's been convicted for all the offences that he was charged for, and he has been sentenced to 10 years rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 5 lakhs. That is the maximum, that because it has to be run concurrent.
All right. So as the advocate can say, Tejpal has been convicted for all the offences he was charged with. She's added that the court has also imposed a fine of 5 lakh rupees in addition to the 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. And he now has 4 weeks of time. Let's go across to Sambhav Sharma on this. Sambhav, in the 4 weeks, what all is Tarun Tejpal expected to do?
Well, it is expected, as Tarun Tejpal has said, that it's likely that he could move to the Supreme Court. It is to be seen as and when he moves to Supreme Court, because so far, I mean, it is to be seen once he gets the final order copy of the Bombay High Court, the written judgment, and then it's likely he'll have to speak to his lawyers, and because he's given some time before he'll have to surrender. And it's 2 weeks. So within 2 weeks, if he moves to the Supreme Court, it is to be seen if and when he moves to Supreme Court, and it is to be seen when the top court lists the matter for hearing. That's one. But as of now, the Bombay High Court Goa bench has convicted him and sentenced him, awarded him 10 years of prison and gave him 2 weeks to surrender certain sections of Indian Penal Code of 376, read with clause 2, subclause F, person who is guardian or in the position of trust or authority rapes a woman. This is particular section of the 376 subsection, clause 2. And apart from it, 354A, which is sexual harassment, in itself an important section of the Indian Penal Code, along with 354B, which is using criminal force on a woman with an intent to disrobe her. These are the IPC sections charges. And what is important here is that the Bombay High Court 2-judge bench has set aside his acquittal. And he was earlier acquitted by the Sessions Court. And here the Bombay High Court 2-judge bench today convicted him, convicted Tarun Tejpal on the charges of rape in the 2013 sexual assault case and set aside the Sessions Court earlier order of acquitting him. And
stay on with me. We are also getting a reaction from the Goa Chief Minister. Viewers, Pramod Sawant has reacted to the Bombay High Court Goa bench verdict in the case, calling it a victory of justice. Sawant said that since the incident took place in Goa, it was the responsibility of the Goa police and the state government to pursue the matter. He added that the government followed up on the case diligently and welcomed the court's decision. Let's go across to Sambhav once again. Sambhav, the Chief Minister himself has reacted and welcomed the verdict. Clearly goes on to show how involved the state police was for all these years in the case and to bring justice to the victim.
Well, absolutely. See, we are on one hand, the Chief Minister of Goa is welcoming this particular verdict of the Bombay High Court. And on the other hand, it's equally important that Tarun Tejpal is alleging that he is a victim of political vendetta, and he's a political victim. He's what he is saying, and this is what he said in the courtroom and sought leniency in the sentencing. And if we talk about this particular section 376 of Indian Penal Code, Tarun Tejpal faces minimum punishment of 10 years, and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who appeared for Goa government in this case, has sought maximum punishment. And he said, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has said that, a strong message that no means no. And here now Goa's Chief Minister is also in a way, because Solicitor General also appeared for the Goa government in the Bombay High Court, has said that no means no and the strong message should go. And here, the Chief Minister again is saying similar kind of, thing in this conviction case, and in a way, welcoming what the Bombay High Court has said.
Absolutely.
Now, all